Moving your website to a new host can feel like a nightmare. What if there's downtime? What if something breaks? And if you're migrating to Hostinger, you might run into even more headaches. For example, some users report their migration requests getting denied after days of waiting, leaving them scrambling for a solution. Others find that after switching their DNS, parts of their site, like a blog hosted on a subdomain, stop working because of database configuration issues. And in many cases, the issue comes down to one key file, wp-config.php. This file controls your WordPress database connection, and if it's not set up correctly, your site might not load properly. Hostinger support often asks for a database backup to fix issues, but if you don't already have one, that can be frustrating, especially when you need to move your site fast. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this stressful. Migrate Guru is a free plugin that takes care of everything for you, moving your entire site without downtime or data loss. No waiting days for approvals, no dealing with database backups, just a smooth, hassle-free migration. By the end, your website will be fully migrated to Hostinger and you won't have to worry about anything. Let's get started. First, we need a hosting plan on Hostinger. If you haven't already, just head to their website, pick a plan that suits your needs and complete the purchase. The premium or business plans are solid options because they offer a free domain, ample storage, and an excellent performance. Once you've completed your purchase, log into Hostinger and open Edge panel where you will manage your website. Next, install WordPress using the auto installer and link it to your chosen domain. If your domain is registered elsewhere, such as at GoDaddy or Namecheap, don't worry, we will connect it to Hostinger later. Before we start the migration process, it is essential to create a backup of your current site. For this, I recommend using Blog Vault. In your WordPress dashboard on your existing site, navigate to the plugin section and select Add New, search for Blog Vault, install it, and then activate it. Once activated, click on Blog Vault in the left sidebar and sign up with your email address. Blog Vault will automatically begin backing up your site, ensuring that all of your data is secure before any migration takes place. Now we move on to the migration itself using Migrate Guru. It is the best migration plugin in the market. Before you know it, your website will be migrated onto a new domain. So for this, on your old website, once again go to the plugin section and select Add New. Search for Migrate Guru, then install and activate the plugin. You will need to repeat this process on your new website hosted on Hostinger because the plugin must be installed on both the sites for the migration to work correctly. After the plugin is active on your old site, go to Migrate Guru section in the WordPress dashboard. Enter your email address, agree to the terms, and click on the Migrate button. When asked where you would like to migrate your site, select the option for other hosts. Next, switch to your new website on Hostinger and open Migrate Guru. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an option to generate a migration key and copy the generated key. Return to your old website, paste the migration key into the appropriate field and click on Migrate button. Migrate Guru will now handle the entire transfer, migrating your files, database, plugins, and themes automatically. The time required depends on the size of your website. A smaller site may finish in 5 to 10 minutes, while a larger site might take 30 minutes to an hour. You will receive an email once the migration is complete and you can track the process in real time. After the migration is complete, click on the Visit Migrated Site option to verify that your website appears exactly as it did before, but is now hosted on Hostinger. At this point, your site has been successfully moved, but your domain still points to your old host. To update this, log into the platform where you purchased your domain, locate the DNS settings, and find the name server settings. Replace the old name servers with those provided by Hostinger which you can find in Edge panel under Accounts and Details. Although it may take a few hours for these changes to propagate, once they do, your domain will load your website from Hostinger. Finally, review your site thoroughly by checking all pages, links, and images to ensure that everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, clear your browser cache or contact Hostinger's support team for assistance. Once you're confident that everything is functioning perfectly, you can cancel your old hosting plan. This completes the migration process. You've successfully migrated your website to Hostinger with a secure backup from Blog Vault and a seamless transfer using Migrate Guru without any lost data, downtime, or manual file transfers. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below and I'll help you out. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.